What's up, everybody? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. Hey, I want to show you guys this Yukon that we just completed. It's not a Yukon Denali, it's a Yukon Denali because he thinks it's a tundra. It's got the tundra stealth color. We did actually a full color change. So everything was wrapped, doors were taken off, door jambs were wrapped. I mean, you guys know, we're bringing you guys the quality. We're sorry we haven't posted in a little bit. I was out with some health issues, but we're back and better than ever. This car is actually fully protected with a 5-year ceramic coating as well. All the chrome was wrapped to black, so you got a chrome delete. It's got custom badges. It's got a full color change inside and out. You're not gonna be able to see the original color of this car, no matter where you're coming into it, unless you pop the hood. Let's give them a quick walk around so you can check it out. But look at the workmanship. Come on, give them a close up. This is the type of stuff you're only gonna see at the factory, guys. The quality we're putting out is just amazing, and that's what we give every customer. This is nothing special. This is just one car that's getting a video and another one that's not because of whatever reasons. But again, cars in denial, custom badges, chrome delete, full color change to the tundra color, and then all door jambs done, everything taken out, door handles, chrome, color matched, ceramic coating, and a full detail. Everything was done actually in a matter of a week and 3 days. If you guys are looking for a full color change, there's no other place in town that's going to give you the price and the quality and the service that we're providing. Give us a call us, text us, DM us, and share our videos. We appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.